If you're looking for a cute fall craft to make, you'll love these easy candy corn clay pots that you can fill with treats for Halloween or Thanksgiving. Hi there! I'm Jane from Sustain My Craft Habit and welcome back to our channel. I had a collection of these terracotta pots from the dollar store in my craft room and thought it'd be fun to turn them into something cute for the fall season. I started by painting both of the pieces with a white acrylic paint. This creates a nice base layer upon which we'll paint the other colors. Once that coat of white paint is dry, we're going to start to paint the candy corn colors. People are very specific about their candy corn colors, so we want to make sure that we paint the narrowest part or the bottom of the clay pot white and then add on a stripe of orange paint. I'm using DecoArt Americana acrylic paints. I think this color is called Pumpkin. I'll make sure to put the names in the description below, but simply go around and paint about a third of the pot with the white paint and then a third of the pot with this orange paint. If you don't have a steady hand or want to make it more perfect, you could always tape off those sections to make more straight lines, but I really like kind of the handmade appeal of having it a little bit off. Next, you'll want to take a nice bright yellow paint and paint the rim of the clay pot with this color, and we'll also paint the entire lid of the pot as well with the yellow, which is the top part of the candy corn. Once your first coat is dry, you can decide whether you want to paint a second coat for better coverage. I was happy with mine, so I moved on to the next step, which involved adding a little knob to the top. I just used a wood bead and glued that right on there. This creates a decorative little handle or knob at the top, and then I simply tied a little bit of black and white ribbon to create a small bow. You can use any coordinating color of ribbon that you'd like. And to finish it off, I just tied a little bit of raffia around there as well. And that's it. You've got some cute and easy little candy corn clay pots to fill with any sort of Halloween treat that you'd like. Rockets are my favorite, and you can use these to decorate with, to give as a non-traditional gift for Halloween. I think I'll be passing on some of these to my nieces, and then have it later for your tier tray or shelf to display. They look so cute. With coordinating ribbons, I made a set of 3, and I just think they're really easy, a quick Dollar Tree craft for fall. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more easy craft and DIY ideas. Bye!